There's one other kind of bisection you might be asked to make, and that's where you're given a line segment, like this for example, and you're given a point away from the line segment, okay? And you're told to create a perpendicular bisector for this line segment that intersects with this point that's there. So essentially a line that goes something like that. Okay, so this is how you do it. Again, if you feel that the line segment you've been given sort of is in the wrong place or an inconvenient place, by all means extend it. But if you extend these things, man, be careful. Make sure that it is smack bang on line with the original. Okay, so now I can do this. What I do, I set this, any old length will do, as long as it would be longer than from the point to the line. And then all I do, put that smack bang on, don't touch the arm again. Intersect, there, and don't change anything, intersect there. Okay, so take that off. Now I have a line segment, and reset this so that it's further than this point. That is helpful. Now I've set it, I'm not going to touch it again, so put that smack bang on, put an arc there, put an arc there, do the same on the other side. So smack bang on, take my time, put an arc there and an arc there. And now I have enough information to draw my perpendicular bisector. Line up those points exactly. And you'll notice that my perpendicular bisector goes right through that point. Job done.